We're in a new world of AI, and the future is exciting. But as we spoke with many of our customers, we understand the very real anxieties, complexities, and hurdles ahead of you as we navigate the uncharted waters of generative AI. The underlying question we've heard from many of you is this: how can generative AI deliver actual value for my business? We hear you. We understand the critical need to address your common concerns regarding generative AI. First, prevent and eliminate silos across generative and your predictive AI lifecycles. Avoid a Frankenstein of infrastructure, so to speak. Second, ensure a flexible and open platform to continuously adopt the evolving technology in real time. And third, integrating with your existing enterprise ecosystem to create and realize value from your data and AI investments. At DataRobot, we are bringing predictive AI and generative AI together in a single platform to address those needs. So what are we launching today? I'm so excited to share what's new with the summer launch. You can now quickly prototype, build, and host interactive AI-powered applications that deliver insights and experiences to your business stakeholders and users. Gain full visibility over all of your AI assets, predictive and generative, with advanced AI monitoring, management, and governance. Rapidly experiment and solve any AI use case with our live notebooks that deliver a modern code-first experience. Fully integrate into your existing enterprise ecosystem investments with our open and flexible platform. It's everything you need to get value with AI, from consumption to production to experimentation. Our feeds are flooded with generative AI terms like LLMs and vector databases, but those are just ingredients, not the outcome. Realizing value begins with your stakeholders, giving them the answers, experiences, and insights they need to do their jobs. So we need to work backwards from the user, close the gaps between consumption, production, and experimentation that data science teams face. We are making AI consumption fast and easy with our new Streamlit app hosting capability and our new Predictive Insights apps. To be successful with generative AI, you must work closely with your business stakeholders, address their needs, and understand their concerns. Building apps requires a tight loop between experimentation and prototyping to make sure you are getting the right answers, that the data is being surfaced correctly, and that you're reaching the intended impact your stakeholders expect. Stakeholder input is critical to ensure your Gen AI solution is accurate, nuanced, and aligned with your overall business goals. With our new hosted Streamlit apps, you can, with a few lines of code, build your generative AI applications and then deploy and share them in an instant. This lets you experiment and iterate quickly to validate and improve your apps to ensure optimal performance that matches your specific business needs. With our new Predictive Insights app, explaining and interacting with your models has never been easier. You'll be able to effectively translate predictions into fully interactive and visually intuitive insights, allowing your stakeholders to understand the performance of your machine learning models with more depth and clarity. You can hide all of the data science complexity to allow them to understand, trust, and act on your results with ease. With feature impacts, what-if capability, and feature optimization tools, business users will be able to directly interact with your models and provide feedback. This helps them appreciate the business value of your models on an entirely new level. Today, we are thrilled to introduce DataRobot AI Production, providing a full 360 view of all your predictive and generative AI assets. In this summer launch, we can not only host, deploy, and operate all your generative AI and predictive AI assets, but also give you advanced AI-centric monitoring and management over them. It doesn't matter if they were built a long time ago, if they were built outside DataRobot, or if they're deployed across several different environments. With our AI production, you can, 1, manage and deploy knowledge bases and large language models that are delivered via API from a centralized registry and capture the full evolution of all AI assets with automated model versioning. You can focus on upgrading your LLMs without worrying about tracking previous versions. If upgraded versions don't work as expected, you can revert back to the previous version with a click or an API call. 2, monitor SLAs on generative AI projects regardless of where they were deployed or who built them. And 3, neatly organize and group all generative AI and predictive AI models by projects for clear oversight. Today, we are also announcing key capabilities for AI production at scale that have been battle-hardened by our most demanding customer use cases. You can centrally schedule monitoring jobs for all models deployed on-premise and across hyperscale clouds without any manual pipelines or data movement. You can ensure that these monitoring jobs are running as expected with our new timeliness indicator to eliminate guesswork on what's happening with your models across your ecosystem. And monitor your solution with custom metrics appropriate for each use case. For example, using an NLP model to monitor if your large language model stays on topic. With DataRobot AI production, you never have to worry about generative AI chaos. You can manage and monitor all projects side by side with your existing predictive AI assets. To support the rapid pace of innovation, we are excited to support a modern coder experience for all aspects of AI experimentation. We are deepening our capabilities in data prep for modeling, which takes the most painful and tedious part of the AI process and turns it into something that is simple and easy. Clean data is not required for your predictive AI projects with DataRobot because we have advanced feature engineering. All you need to do is point DataRobot to the tables you need and take advantage of our new pushdown operations such as deduplication, table joins, and aggregation functions, and let DataRobot do the rest. Our modern live notebooks helps you focus on creating predictive AI and generative AI use cases while we handle the hosting, the version control, and project organization. It's not just an empty notebook. They come with a set of ready-to-use code snippets and libraries, AI accelerators, our DRX coding power tools, and our Azure OpenAI-powered Code Assist, which is now available for public preview. When it comes to creating your Gen AI use cases, our notebooks let you use any large language model, create your knowledge base, and your prompting strategy. And of course, with Gen AI, you'll need to work with a lot more unstructured data. We're making that easy with new deep learning and NLP capabilities for text-based AI, including end-to-end support for PDFs and pre-processing tasks, and seamless integration with state-of-the-art foundational and Hugging Face models. Most importantly, with just a few lines of code, you can move any AI project to our AI production, quickly pushing them another step closer to stakeholder consumption and business value. An AI platform does not exist in a vacuum. It lives within the context of your enterprise ecosystem. In our summer launch, we are deepening our integrations across the ecosystem. I'm pleased to announce our deep integration with GCP BigQuery to give seamless, scalable, and secure data prep for our Google Cloud-based customers. This capability delivers performance, scale, and governance for all data prep used in machine learning modeling. You can easily integrate DataRobot AI production with your entire technology stack. For Airflow users, we natively ingest your data for experimentation and prediction monitoring directly in DataRobot. For Databricks customers, with just 2 lines of Python code, you can deploy predictions to your clusters. For Azure customers, our integration lets you deploy and monitor models to Azure machine learning endpoints with just configuration information. DataRobot AI production unifies all your data, AI pipelines, and predictions across hyperscalers and integrates with your DevOps processes for streamlined operations. No vendor lock-in, just maximum flexibility with an open framework. And of course, you know us for being able to customize the deployment and execution of the DataRobot AI platform to meet your specific infrastructure, operational, and security needs. For our summer launch, we're giving you even more optionality. Our single-tenant SaaS offering is now available on both Azure and AWS. For Azure customers, our platform includes native support for Azure Kubernetes Service. DataRobot AI platform can leverage AKS to optimize model training and inference resources based on demand. Finally, in the spring, we launched our partnership with SAP to let customers derive value from their business data with advanced DataRobot AI capabilities. We are thrilled to announce that DataRobot is now an SAP-built partner with a new machine learning solution powered by DataRobot available on the SAP Store. Everything we are bringing you in our summer launch is about helping you get value from all AI investments, predictive and generative. As I highlighted, our platform will help you do it yourself, from Gen AI workflows to monitoring to retraining. But as you've told us, you are facing pressures to deliver your strategic plan for Gen AI right now, which is why we have 2 new programs to help you. The Generative AI Strategic Advisory, which will help you build out your generative AI strategy, and technical enablement to upskill your teams quickly. Next, as you implement your strategy, we have packages to help you jumpstart your Gen AI initiatives. These packages, in combination with our platform, will give you everything you need to be self-sufficient to quickly realize value from generative AI.